You want to feel 10 years younger, more flexible, more energized, and less achy. Then you've clicked on the perfect video, because today I'm going to walk you through a simple daily Pilates stretch routine designed specifically for people over 50. You'll feel looser, lighter, and more alive, all in under 10 minutes a day. Here's how this video is going to work. I'll guide you through 5 key Pilates stretches, step by step, all gentle, all safe, and all doable, even if you're stiff or out of practice. And at the end, I'll show you a bonus energizer stretch I only share with my private clients. It opens up the whole body and makes you feel incredible instantly. So stick with me, you're going to feel the difference before this video ends. If you care about your health, mobility and independence and want to feel younger, stronger and pain-free, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. This channel is where we help you get back to doing what you love without pills, injections or surgery. Hi, I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn, and this is the 10X Physio channel, where we give you all the top tips and tricks to live a healthier, more active life after 50. We're specialists in helping people over 50 stay pain-free, mobile and strong, and stay out of the doctor's office. Every video here is designed to help you move better, feel better, and age with confidence. So, let's get started. This is our Pilates roll down. This is a simple move that helps to release tension in your spine, your neck, and your back. So we're basically standing up nice and tall first. From here, we're going to tuck the chin underneath. We let the shoulders just gently roll forward, and then we just gently let the spine curl over on itself, and we roll all the way down as far as you can go there. We're taking a little hang here for a few seconds, and then we tuck the tailbone underneath. We're engaging into those glutes muscles, and then we just gently restack each vertebra, one on top of the other, until we come up nice and tall. So we're going to do that again. So again, that chin tucks down like so, the shoulders roll forward, let the spine gently curl over on itself. We roll all the way down. A few seconds at the bottom, and then tuck the tailbone underneath, restack the spine, and come up nice and tall. So if I just show you that just from the side, so just from the side like so, the chin tucks down like so, shoulders roll forward, spine curls over on itself, roll all the way down, a few seconds at the bottom, and then the tailbone tucks underneath, restack the spine, come up nice and tall, and that is our Pilates roll down. Excellent for mobilizing into the spine and releasing tension in the muscles. This is our chest opener. Excellent if you feel tight across the chest or the shoulders, or also excellent if you're sat for long periods, so it helps to improve your posture. So again, we're standing up nice and tall. From here, we want to take these arms, we're going to open these arms up wide like so, and we're drawing those shoulder blades together. We hold in for a few seconds, and then we relax back down. So it's almost like you're opening a book with those arms. So again, we're opening these arms out like so. We're bringing the shoulder blades together. We're taking those shoulder blades as well. So if you imagine those shoulder blades at the back, we're drawing them down towards our back pockets as well. So again, just do one more here. So we're opening up like so. We're up nice and tall. Shoulder blades together, down towards the back pockets. Hold for a few seconds. And then release back. And that is our chest opener. Quick question for you. What part of your body feels the stiffest in the morning? Let me know in the comments below. I might cover it in a future video. And if you're in or near Lisburn, come see us here at Gav Noble Physiotherapy. We're here to help you move better every day. And remember, stay with me till the end for that energizer stretch that will have you feeling 10 years younger in 30 seconds. It's like hitting the reset button for your body. So now we're going to move to the mat and we're going to go over our next couple of exercises. So this exercise is our knee rolls, which is brilliant for lower back and hip tension, so really helps to mobilize that lower back and the hips. So as you can see, we're lying on our back. You can bring your feet and knees together. All we're doing is letting both knees gently drop down over to one side. Now we're keeping our shoulders flat on the mat here. We're bringing those back up to center, and then we go over to the other side. Okay, so I'm getting that nice stretch into my lower back, a little bit into the hips here. Hold that for a few seconds, come back up. Then we come back over to the other side. Then back to center. I'll just do one more here. And then just coming back up and into center. So you want to repeat this 8 to 10 times each side. You'll feel your lower spine and hips loosen with every roll. This one's great before bed. So that's our knee roll. So get started today. This exercise is our cat-cow. So really excellent exercise for getting that lower abdominal engagement, and also for that nice and lovely spinal mobility. So we're coming into our 4-point kneeling position here. Okay, now you can engage those lower abdominals just by drawing that belly button up and away from the mat. So from here, we're going to arch that spine up towards the ceiling. So to help us do that, we tuck the tailbone underneath and tuck the chin. And almost push that spine up towards the ceiling. Then we go the opposite direction and we're letting that spine just gently drop down towards the mat. We'll do it one more time. So we tuck the tailbone underneath, tuck the chin. We're pushing that spine up towards the ceiling. Then we let that release and let the spine dip down again towards the mat. We lift the head a little bit there. And again, we want to do this exercise 8 to 10 times because it really helps to mobilize your spine. So now we're going to target into those hamstrings. So just remember that sometimes people who do have tight hamstrings can have lower back pain. So we're looking to help prevent that by stretching those hamstrings. Now, I like to do it in a nice safe position. So as you can see, we're lying down on the mat here. I have a belt here just attached around my foot. If you're at home, you can use a towel or a belt, just whatever you can get your hands on. So from here, all we're doing is we're just lifting that leg up. So we're getting a nice supported movement with the belt. And we're just taking that leg. We're trying to keep the back of that knee nice and straight. But we're using this belt to help assist the movement. And again, we want to hold that for 10 to 15 seconds. And then we can release. Okay, now then again, we would swap over to the other side. I'm just going to do one more on this leg. So again, we're just gently lifting that leg up towards the ceiling, keeping the back of the knee nice and straight. Using the belt to assist the movement. If you do feel comfortable, use your breath. Okay, so when you take an out breath, if you feel you can, just gently draw that leg a little bit closer towards you if you can. So you really feel that stretch into the hamstrings. So again, it's a really nice supported movement that we use to help stretch the hamstrings, which is really important to help keep back pain at bay. All right, here's that secret energizer stretch I promised. It opens your ribs, improves breathing, and wakes up your whole body. So we're standing tall first. We're reaching both arms up overhead like so, and then we're gently bending to one side. We're going to hold that for about 10 seconds. Okay, then we come back up to center, and then we go over to the other side. Stand up nice and tall, and reach over to the other side. We'll do one more to each side. So again, we reach right over. Come back up, and then last one here. So we are going to repeat this 2 to 3 times on each side. Okay, coming back up. You'll feel instantly taller, lighter, and more mobile. My clients call this the I'm young again stretch, and it's a great way to start any day. So there you go, your daily Pilates stretch routine done. If you do this every day, you'll feel looser, more energized, and yes, 10 years younger. Now, watch this video right here, Pilates over 50. It's the #1 exercise to stay mobile and pain-free. It's a perfect follow-up to this video. And if you want tailored help, especially if you're in the Lisburn area, come see us here at Gavin Physiotherapy. We'd love to help you move better, feel younger, and live pain-free. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.